Welcome to Codezlux. Today we will discuss the box model in CSS. We will clear the box model concept in detail, so you will easily understand what box model is. So let's jump into our topic. According to the box model concept, every element on a page is a rectangular box and may have width, height, padding, borders, and margins. Let's open the folder in Sublime Text. And then let's create a file, name index.html, and also create another file for styling, named style.css. Then start with the HTML section. Dev is the container in HTML which has width, height, etc. Dev can be created by writing the div tags in HTML. In that tag, let's write a heading to say this is heading in the box. Also give the class to the dev, named let's say box1. Then we will come to our CSS section and write the styles for our dev tag. Give the border to the box by writing the border property and give value as 1px, solid, black. It will apply the style to the box. Give the width and also some height to the box. Then another property of box. That is the margin. There are 4 types of margins: right, bottom, top, and left. Margin is the space outside the box. Simply write the margin, and give the values like 10px from top and bottom, and 20px to left and right. This will add some space. You can give space as you want. Then comes the padding property. So padding has also the same values that of margin. But padding is the space between the content and the border. Give some values to padding also. It will add the space within the box. Then we will add a background color to the box. And also we will change the text color to white. To better understand the spacing in the box model, let's create another dev. And in that dev, add the original dev. Also give the class to the new dev, like box2. Then come to the CSS section to add styles to the dev. Add padding to the dev. Then after that add a border to view the dev. Insert values to the dev like 10px solid black. To view the types of borders, let's change the border type to dotted. Then change to dashed. It will change the border style. Also try to change the color of the border. Remove the width property from the dev. It will go to its original position. Also give the margin to the outside dev. It will leave some spaces at the edges. So that's all about today's lecture. In the next lecture we will discuss CSS units in detail. Stay tuned for the lecture. We will be right back soon.